Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest tablet from Microsoft under the Surface branding. We have the Surface Go. So Surface Go is an affordable or cheaper variant, and this is a 10.1 inch tablet which was announced by Microsoft. So this device is now available in India in two variants. It's kind of affordable Microsoft Surface tablet. The base variant comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, which is priced 37,999, and that's there is another variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage priced 49,999. So both variants are below the 50K price segment in India. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing. We'll talk about the device, we'll show you the device and other options. So the device also comes with two accessories. One is the pen, input pen, and also the touch keypad, the type keypad, which are not available with the bundle. We get only the tablet with the bundle. Those are additional of things you need to buy. Around 8,500 for the keyboard, and you can buy it online or offline. And this device is having a 10.1 inch screen size. So let's get started. So this is the box package, and behind the box package you can see that it's mentioned Intel Pentium Gold processor 4415i. That's the processor. It has 64GB storage, 4GB RAM, and model number is mentioned. We have the Windows 10 variant, and all other features are mentioned here. This Wi-Fi model, and there is also expandable storage included with this device. So let's get started with unboxing. So first let's open the box package, and we'll just take out the device, and then we'll show you what else comes inside. So first, if you open, you can see that this is the tablet. So it looks pretty good. Let's just take this out. So that's the Surface tablet. You can see that it looks really sleek, and this is just half a kilo in weight, so that means it is really portable and easy to use. And you can see the Windows logo at the back, and you can also see the rear camera here. Then we have the power and volume keys on the top section. This is the power button and the volume rocker keys. The right section has the 3.5mm audio jack. Then you have USB Type-C port and the charging slot. So this is a proprietary charging slot, so those are things included. On the left side you don't have any openings or slots, and you can see there is an option to open the back stand. So this is how you can open the back stand. You can see it's pretty flexible back stand, and on the right side of the stand you can see there is a small opening. So this is for expansion slot. You can use a micro SD card in case you want to expand the storage. So base storage is just 64GB, so you can use this to expand the storage in case you find the storage pretty low. So that's how it looks. Now looking at the front panel, you have this camera for unlocking, as well as the Windows security works with this, and looks quite good. You can see this is the mechanism to dock that keyboard, which will also show. So that's the option. So this looks really nice and pretty handy. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So here you get the manuals and warranty information. Then you get the charger and the adapter. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the charger. So it's a standard charger which is included with the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the Surface tablet. So this is the keyboard which is included as an accessory, the type keyboard, which looks really nice in terms of the build quality. You can see that finishing looks really nice, and you have the full-fledged keyboard which can also be used to dock. So we'll just dock this keyboard to this device. You can see this is the keyboard docking mechanism. So just attach it here. So that's all. Now it is attached, and you can actually use it kind of a book-like cover, and then just open it, and there you go. So there you go. That's the type keyboard with the display, and you can see the display quality looks really nice. It's a touch board, and it looks really nice in terms of the colors. So the viewing angles are really good. You can see that the touch response also feels so very smooth and extremely responsive as well. So you can see that this device comes with 64GB storage, and you get just 37.3GB out of the box, out of the 64GB. So rest all is taken by Windows 10. So you might have to go with the external micro SD card slot, because it comes with pretty minimal storage. and this is Windows 10 version with 4 GB RAM. The tablet is extremely responsive and it can take up all the basic tasks like typing and all the basic work like browsing, typing and composing emails. It is not really intended for heavy gaming or editing like video editing or photo editing, but it can do the basic job pretty easily, and it's quite responsive, and the display quality also looks really nice, and this is a touch display and works really well. So that's the tablet. You can see that it works pretty nice, and you can actually fold the mechanism to an extent where you can comfortably type with this tablet. So the expected battery life is around 4 to 5 hours is something which is achievable on this tablet. It may not give as good as the regular Surface tablet, because that gives almost a day of battery life, but here you can expect around 4 to 5 hours, which is quite good for a tablet. But then it is not a complete day of usage. You might have to charge in between, but definitely quite good for what it is being offered at this price segment. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Microsoft Surface Go tablet. So you can buy it from Flipkart. Both the variants are available on Flipkart, and if this tablet was given to us for testing by ITNet in Cochin. ITNet is one of the good dealers here in Cochin, and they can actually ship to anywhere in India. In case you are interested in buying it with the best rates, you can contact ITNet in the given numbers in the description of this video. They can ship anywhere in India. They provide the best rates for the Surface Go tablet, and you can buy it from them. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.